Keys in your hand, paper dust on the floor. We sign our names in the sunlight, then push open that brand new door. They call it moving ready, just one more box on this street. But you kiss my paint-stained fingers, and it all feels complete. My priceless little house, to them just glass and stone. But every beam and corner is proof of how we've grown. Our laughter in the hallways, our dreams in every room. My priceless little house, where all our futures bloom. You trace the empty sockets, say here our pictures will stay. I joke about the square feet, you're planning birthdays in May. They see a clean foundation, we see a life taking root. They praise the perfect layout, you're dancing barefoot in your suit. Hey! My priceless little house, to them just glass and stone. But every beam and corner is proof of how we've grown. Our whispers in the kitchen, our sunrise in that room. My priceless little house, where all our futures bloom.